Hello! It's great to see you again on Everyday Tricks. Have you ever bought ginger to store, only to find it dry, shriveled, or sprouting after a few weeks? What a waste, right? As a homemaker, I understand that feeling. Fresh ginger not only adds the perfect flavor to dishes, but is also good for your health. Today, I'll share a method to preserve fresh ginger for up to a year without it drying out or spoiling, used by 5-star chefs and experienced farmers, keeping ginger fresh, juicy, and fragrant like it was just picked, even up to 6 months. This method is extremely simple. Anyone can do it at home. Method 1. First, make sure the ginger is completely dry before storing it. A little dirt on the skin is fine, but if it is wet, the ginger will spoil easily. The dry skin helps protect the moisture inside and keeps the ginger fresh for longer. Prepare a cardboard box. Line it with dry newspaper, kitchen towels, or old clothes to absorb moisture. Sprinkle a thin layer of baking soda to keep the ginger dry and prevent sprouting. Arrange the ginger in a single layer. Avoiding stacking. If you have a lot, repeat the layers of paper. Baking soda and ginger. Seal the box tightly and store it carefully. Place the box in a cool, well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight. The cardboard box helps maintain a stable temperature, keeping the ginger fresh and preserving its natural flavor. With this method, the ginger will stay fresh, fragrant, and free from sprouting for 2 to 3 months. Where are you watching this video from? Please comment with your country or province name. It's wonderful that we can connect from all over the world. Method 2. First, choose firm ginger roots with dry skin. If the ginger is too large, cut it into bite-sized pieces for easier soaking. Add a little baking soda. Then pour water to cover the ginger. Soak for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then use a soft brush to scrub off any dirt stuck to the skin. Baking soda helps remove impurities and bacteria, ensuring the ginger is completely clean while retaining its natural oils. Rinse again with clean water 2 to 3 more times. It's wonderful that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. After washing, let the ginger dry completely, in a cool, well-ventilated place, away from direct sunlight. If you want to speed up the process, you can use paper towels or a low-heat hairdryer to dry the surface. Now for the important step. Prepare some white wine or strong white liquor. Place the ginger in a small bowl and roll it around so that the alcohol covers the surface. The alcohol not only disinfects and kills bacteria naturally, but also creates a thin protective layer that prevents air and moisture from entering, which are the main causes of ginger spoilage or sprouting. After rolling it in alcohol, let the ginger drain slightly, then wrap each piece in plastic wrap. Arrange them neatly in an airtight jar or glass container. Thanks to the protective layer of alcohol, the ginger will retain its aroma, pungent flavor, and natural moisture for up to 6 months without drying out, molding, or sprouting. When needed, simply take out a piece that is still fresh and fragrant, as if it were just picked. Finally, close the lid tightly and store in a cool, dry place. This is the method I always use in my kitchen, simple, safe, and effective, just like the methods used by 5-star chefs. Method 3. Freezing ginger. Many people fear that frozen ginger will lose its flavor, but if done correctly, Ginger will remain fresh, fragrant, and spicy for months. First, wash it thoroughly and dry it completely, as any remaining water will cause the ginger to become spongy when thawed. Then, cut the ginger into the size you usually use. Thin slices, small pieces, or large chunks are all fine. Place the ginger in a bowl, add a little cooking oil, and mix well. This layer of oil helps retain moisture, prevent odor loss, and preserve the natural essential oils. Next, divide the ginger into small portions, place them in an airtight container or zip-top bag, and store in the freezer. Each time you cook, simply take out the amount you need without thawing the entire portion, making it extremely convenient. With this method, ginger can stay fresh for up to 6 months, retaining its flavor and nutrients as if it were freshly purchased. This is an ideal choice for busy people who want to save time while ensuring the quality of ingredients in every dish. I always use this method whenever I have a lot of fresh ginger, because after just one preparation, I can use it gradually for dozens of different dishes, from stews and steamed dishes to morning ginger tea. If you've never tried it, give it a shot. You'll notice a significant difference between proper storage and regular storage. Method 4. This is a traditional but extremely effective method, trusted by many farmers and 5-star chefs to preserve the flavor of ginger for a long time. First, wash the ginger thoroughly and let it dry completely. You can peel it or leave it unpeeled, then slice it into pieces about 2 to 3 millimeters thick so that the ginger dries quickly, does not mold, and retains its natural spicy aroma. Spread the ginger slices evenly on a clean wire rack or basket, avoiding overlapping them. Dry them in the sun for 3 to 5 days, until the ginger slices are crisp and break when bent. Remember to bring them indoors at night to avoid dew, the #1 enemy that causes ginger to reabsorb moisture and spoil easily. Once the ginger is completely dry, store it in a glass jar or sealed zip-top bag, placed in a cool, dry, well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight. If you want to store it longer, vacuum sealing the ginger before closing the lid will keep it fresh for 6 months to a year while retaining its flavor. Interestingly, dried ginger can be ground into powder for use in tea, cooking, wine infusion, or medicine, offering convenience while retaining its medicinal properties. This simple, natural method requires no refrigerator, yet allows you to store ginger year-round. Of the 4 methods I just shared, which one impressed you the most? Leave a comment below, I'd love to hear your thoughts. In my personal experience, freezing ginger is the simplest and most effective method. As long as you prepare it correctly, you can keep ginger fresh, undamaged, and flavorful for months, even a year. And when you need it for cooking, simply take it out and use it. Absolutely convenient. If you found the video helpful, please share it with friends or family. A small share can help many others preserve food properly and save money in the kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, so you don't miss out on the small but extremely valuable kitchen tips in future videos. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. See you in upcoming content with even more interesting and useful kitchen secrets.